Am I on the flat side? Yes, sir. 5 elements on the flat side, pointed right at you.
Yeah,
Seems to work pretty good, too.
she didn't like what's coming in her see, she needs to turn it off, no doubt.
All right, softball man, have yourself a good evening. I'll be sitting here copying this mail.
I'll be all for listening. That's too much crap. Yeah, just trying to get out there, make some more contacts today. 723 out here in Crown Plains, Stockton, California. No, from 919.
What'd you say, softball man?
Well, with the low side of 667, that's up around. I heard profile 00.
Oh, derail had my ear that time, softball man. Well, were you running vertical?
Somebody out there whispering, slamming that needle down there in the right.
Well, you know, sometimes the way the signal switches back and forth, sometimes you can do just as well on the vertical as you can on the horizontal. You're doing real good right now. That's what I would do. If it works, don't fix it.
This guy around Utah. Sounding good, man.
All right, man. And then when it starts getting bad, just switch it over to the horizontal. See what kind of difference it makes. All right, my friend, I'll talk at you later. And, hey, 606, if you're still hanging in there, good afternoon to you.
Was a nice guy. Gotta get that 555 running there, but, 555 But hey, nice guy. It was nice getting to talk to you today. Had been a while before we get. All right, hold on. Everybody's doing well around your side. Thanks. Nobody but you in Georgia right back. Hello, derail. Hello, derail.
Hey, Don, we were just fooling around with the antenna and talking about that. He's got a good signal in here right now.
I got that train going your way, Mr. Derail, 340, Northern California.
Old Derail's got that hammer down in my ear.
Derail? Hey, Derail, I'm talking to my radio, 340. Hello, Derail. Hey, Derail, here come the train. Hello, Derail, 340, west side.
Was 340 or 344?
Hello, Derail, I'm talking.
All right, 606. Sounds like everybody's trying to get their licks in before the conditions roll out.
Triple five, but it's hard, man. I'm just trying to guess. Because I can't make it 20. Anyway, triple five, that was you. I'm waving right back.
That wasn't 555, that was 340. Hello, hello.
Hey, Derail, you got that hammer down.
Hello, Derail, 340 around Northern California. By the governor's chair, Derail, 340. Let's go.
Yeah, I heard somebody come in there and say,